Ah, the sound of unscheduled maintenance. Believe it or not, this sound is going to hold up an entire factory until it goes away. So the pressure's on. Let's see how bad it is. It's pretty bad. So even though these parts are available for this machine, my customer needs this fixed today. So how the heck are we going to do that? How am I going to fix this? I've got an idea. Let's do it. So the first thing I need to do is bore the hub out of this pulley. I'm going to a really accurate size here. Nailed it. Because this pulley is cast iron, it limits my options in what I can do to fix this. So I'm going to be making a hub out of this piece of material. If you're a machinist and you're watching this, you know how good it feels to make this cut right here. Now I'm sizing this up really accurately for an interference fit into that bore that we just put into the pulley. More on that later. Give her the old flip around. Let's work on the other side now. Perfection. Now I just need to part off the excess material. Now let's bore the inside. Going for a perfect fit on this thing. Bam. And if you're following along at home, I recommend slowing the lathe down on that last cut. This end mill will never be the same again because I used it to mill a 3/8 keyway on top of this worn out 8mm keyway, and this pinion gear is insanely hard, which is actually the reason why it's still round and in great shape, and the pulley was extremely worn instead. Really nice fit into that. Now I'm heating up the gear. I'm going to get it to grow a little bit, and I dropped that hub right inside. Didn't even need my hammer. And bam, that is just a gorgeous fit. Now I'm using the digital readout on the mill to do this 5-bolt pattern, but I just printed off this little template that'll help me line it up exactly where I want it between the existing holes in this pulley. Got that in there, just deburred everything. It's looking sexy, looking downright sexy. This set screw isn't totally needed, but I just like to have one on top of a keyway. Had to make this 28mm hub for my broach set, but it went smooth. I broached it. It's looking just downright gorgeous. Got to get the keyway to the right height. That is a beautiful fit. My customer is going to be so happy, and this factory is going to be back to work tomorrow morning.